Going through here?
Yeah, well, what do you think we're doing? Come on. Oh, we got a shopping cart. How about that? We got her. Let's take her home.
Attention. The following video includes AI-generated clips of stunts that are not to be attempted in real life. This video is for educational purposes only. Enjoy.
What's going on today, everybody? Got you another video here today. We hitting the streets on the 450. Got our new brake master right there. We're just out on the streets testing it out this morning. Not this morning, this evening. Got Nate Bob with us. Come on, dog. Come on, brother. This dude is not on point today. So I have the Brembo set up right now to where it's not like super responsive, and it's actually gonna like have some play, and I really gotta like stab on it if I want it to like really lock up and really grab. That didn't feel too bad. A little stoppy there. So my objective is not to learn stoppies. Like, I really just wanted really good brakes. I'm a big sucker for good brakes. I like going fast, but I like slowing down too. But not only did I replace the master and the line up front, I also replaced the line in the rear. Now, these lines weren't specifically made for a 2024 WR450. They're made for like a 2020, which is like the highest Coremoto had on their website. So I made them work, but they're not made for this bike. That rear is like, I don't really want to admit it, but it's kind of ghetto rigged right now. It's definitely okay for a ride or two, but it's definitely rigged, and I'm definitely gonna have to fix that. Another thing that I'm not really a fan of so far is this big ass master cylinder in my way. I'm also going to try to mess with that a little bit and try to get it more out of the way, just so it's not sticking up like nobody's business. Like, that's so tall. Look at here. I'm going to try to lay down. Look how tall that is, like above everything else. Isn't that crazy? Can't be having that. So hopefully that'll change soon. But yeah, like I said, my goal is not to learn stoppies. Stoppies honestly kind of like scare the shit out of me. So, you know, like, I'll do them coming to a stop, but I'm definitely not trying to roll no couple 100-foot stoppie or anything. And then get out the damn road. What? We got sidewalks for you people. No hands. Let's not go into the guardrail. Yes, sir. Make this corner. Yup. Give her a rev. What are you doing slowing? What the hell? You just made me lose all my momentum for no reason. Come on, put it back in neutral. Come on, there it is. Alright. So we got some speed. Got our speed back. We're doing 30. Nate Bob ain't doing no hands. He said, miss me with that. I'm still going too. Go all the way down to the light, no hands. For real. Don't test me here. I'll even shut the bike off. Watch Nate Bob do a wheelie. He's getting that thing back there. If he just rode a little more, he'd learn a lot faster, but it's hard for him and I to ride like once a week or once a day. All right, stoppie. Oh, nope, didn't quite have it there. Wasn't on the brake enough. Let's go. Ooh, there's a car. He's back there smoking away, trying to keep up. Everyone go in the comments and tell Nate Bob needs to buy a 450 so he can keep up with old Mile Wheelie Master. Man, you got some people out here fishing. Maybe this should be one of our next fishing spots. We should have to ask if people are having any luck out here. Stoppie. Oh my God. Why the f are you right behind me? Come on, dog.
Boy, if you don't get...
It's a good one. Oh. Looks like my front tire needs to warm up a little better. Hit the sidewalk, hit the sidewalk, hit the sidewalk. God, this dude does not like pay no attention to what the f I say. I mean, I know he can't hear me, but like gives no thought to like my gestures. I mean, I make it pretty obvious when I'm making gestures. I guess I could have thrown my hand out or something, but I don't know. Ooh, good front brake. Dirty sidewalk, not good for traction. Wet sidewalk especially. Nah, miss me with that. Hey, brother! Ladies Oblites, these ain't no righteous. Ooh, about killed her. These brake lines work, boy. About killed the 450. Just stabbed it once with the big toe, you know what I'm saying? You wanna go to a car wash, piss old lady with Jeep off? Yeah, you can't get through because the cones. Ha ha. Ha ha. We out this bitch. What was that? Couldn't hear you. Riding a motorcycle. Hey, we gotta go through here fast though. Start your bike.
Going through here?
Yeah. Well, what do you think we're doing? Come on. So I haven't been here on the 450 yet, and every time I've been here on the 110, Mrs. White Jeep Lady has not been a very big fan. Oh. She ain't even here. What gives? She's not even here. Well, what in the world? Bang. Oh man, and it is grown over back there. It's so grown over. Why is it so grown over? I thought someone normally mows this shit. I lost all my traction. Let's see if Nate Bob can do it. No, he lost all his traction too. Oh man, what can we do now? I want to go straight across. Whoa. That was good. That was like literally perfect. That could not have gone any better. Oh, we got a shopping cart. How about that? Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Haha. We got her. Let's take her home. Oh, it kind of made it. Almost. I mean, it didn't make it all the way in, but good enough, right? You're welcome, Sam's Club.
One debt to society later.
What the hell? Yeah, Nate Bob hit the stairs. There you go. He did it. Okay. He had his lights on, bro. He's going over for something else.
PM.
Where is old Nate Bob? Ooh, that brake is good. I just like barely applied any pressure to it at all. And it just slows me down easy. I'm not even on the rear brake. Nate Bob, where are you?
Day 4.
I think I hear him.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I definitely hear a two-stroke ripping. There it is. Yeah, but overall, everybody, put like 50 miles on this Master and new set of brake lines tonight, and overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Ooh, we gotta beat them up. Haha, we beat them. They're slow driving asses. Alright everybody, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see some more, hit sub. Let me know if you put this brake master on your bike, or what brake master I should have put on it. You guys have a good rest of your day. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga.